How to create a password for your Reddit account. Now, if you have created your Reddit account with Google account, in that case, you need to create your password separately. In order to do that, open your Reddit app, go over your profile from here, and after that, tap to this three lines from the top right corner. After tapping in there, go to the settings and now tap to your general section. Then after opening general or the account settings option, you will see a bunch of options. In order to create a password, you can tap anywhere into this first page, either update email address, change password or anything like that. I'm just simply tapping to the change password option and then tap to continue. After doing that, Reddit will send an email. You just simply need to go to your email box and check that email at very first. Open that email and you will see this reset password button. Simply tap to reset password button and then it will move you to this page in Reddit. Now you just simply need to set up a new password and confirm that new password into the second box, then tap to continue. Then after doing this much, your new password will be created in Reddit. I hope this video was informative to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.